Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video or in this playlist, we are going to create a full stack application of movies related. So it will be a full stack application, means a full stack where we will upload the movies, upload the posters, so the suggestions, store the data in database, upload movies in different quality like 480p to 40p, after that 720, 108, and even if possible then 4K. So this is what we are going to build in this whole series. The video will be not that much complex. The tech stack that we will use is Next.js, and on the beyond of that, we will use a database as uh, MySQL. Okay, and after that, for caching purpose, we will use Next.js caching itself. So the project will be the advanced level, and we will use authentication on the basis of cookies. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, let's move to the Next.js. Their main website. Now copy the command whatever they will give us, and come to your file manager, open the integrated terminal here, and paste the command and hit enter. Okay, and now this will start installing your Next.js, and I will say yes. So currently you can see I am installing my 15.2 version. Okay, I will give my app name as root. Okay, I am keeping it name as root. I don't know the reason, but in my mind it's coming just like root. Okay, so it will, I have kept all the default settings, and it will start installing all the necessary things for me related to Next.js. Okay, so cool. Now first of all, till that is it's going on, so what I will do right now, I will go to my hopstock, hostinger panel, and here I will create one DB with the name root movies. Okay, I will close it, and next what I will say, I will create one database here. Okay, you can use your local database or any remote, even a MongoDB you can use if you are known about databases. If not, then you can come here and you can create your account, and you can go with this also. Okay, now we will create one database. So I will say database name as root movies. Okay, I will say movies underscore movies, and username will be uh, same. I'm keeping the same username even. Okay, now next I will say password as uh, root okay movies, and after that 1 2 3. By the way, password I am going to change in future. Okay, so it's root movies, and I will say create. So my account will be created here on the hostinger panel. Okay, database had been created, and now if I show you, this is my database. Okay, which has been created for me. Now what can I do? Now I want to connect this database to my Node.js server, correct? So what I will do for that, I will create an like I will provide a remote connection access, okay, for my this database. So I will say create, and now next I can easily connect now my database here. Okay, so now I will come back, and currently you can see here it has been created my Next.js project. So I will move to this folder. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now I will open my this root folder inside code editor. Okay, now even I will let me configure the uh, GitHub here also. Okay, so I will say I will go to my GitHub, and because every code, every thing we will start coding, it will be public and anyone can access. The thing is that you need to know the little bit of things like what are the keys, where the account had been created, and the logics. Okay, so I will say here basically ipt, so no, I will create one new. So I will say here root root movies. Okay, I will it will be public, and I will create. Okay, now it will start creating for me the application, and I can, what I will do right now, I will copy this whole whatever is there. Okay, just whatever is there, copy this whole, and come to your this one project, like terminal or in your editor, or I will say cancel. Okay, I will close it, and I will come to my editor. Okay, code editor, and here I will open my terminal, and let me zoom little bit. Okay, now I will paste whatever I have copied from GitHub. Okay, and but before pushing, what I need, that I need to push here everything. Okay, so I will add all the things is there. I will hit enter. So now this will push the my Next.js project to my GitHub. If I come and show you right now, if I refresh, currently you can see we have got this everything here. Cool, we have configured GitHub also. So now what's next? So let's start the server, npm run dev. Okay, now it will start our server. Cool. Now it has started our server, and we can visit this URL. Okay, so within a seconds it will compile the code, and we can easily access our website. Okay, so if I come right now, so it is taking a little bit of time, let it be. So currently you can see our page has been successfully loaded. So what's next? What do you think, guys, what we are going to do? First of all, we are going to remove unnecessary code. Okay, whatever unnecessary code is there, so let's remove. So from here we will remove this, and we will keep our JSX fragment. Cool. Now next, whatever is there inside page dot module dot css, we will remove everything from there, and after that from global css, and we will delete the fav icon. Okay, we will keep it our on. Next, we can easily delete these fonts, but Next.js provided, so let it be, because we don't know where these are used. Okay, these might be used somewhere, but let it be. Okay, so what next? I think they are used here. Yes, correct, they are used here. So what I will do, I will remove these. Even I don't want to use these for now, these fonts. Okay, and this class name even I will remove. And after that, what I will say, I can delete these fonts. Even I don't need. I will use the fonts which is provided by the Next.js official documentation. Okay, cool. Now if I come back and refresh, so currently you can see that we have a complete blank screen. Okay, so let's start coding. So guys, first of all, we will create one folder with the name home. Okay, home. See, what are the logic we are going to say. So this is our home page. Now see, if I go to Netflix, if let's have an example, like if I don't have purchased any subscription, so it will redirect us here on this kind of page. Correct, this is a landing page we used to say. What if I have logged in? So it will, instead of redirecting here, it will redirect us to the like slash home. Correct, so first we will create that slash home page. Okay, so I have created here home, and I will create one file inside this page.jsx. Okay, and here I will say export default, and async function. This will be an async function. Okay, and function name will be home. Cool, and from here I will return a JSX fragment. Now here I will say, first for testing purpose, like h1 tag I want to render, and something text. Okay, so now what next I will say, I will come here to slash home, and I will hit enter. I should get the text. Cool, I am getting the text. Perfect. Now what's next? So the next is what I need, that we should display some data, like we will create banners and more. Okay, so what I will do, we will, by the way, we will fetch the data here. Okay, so we will make queries for that, but for now we will use the random data. Okay, so for that, what I will do, I will remove this from here, and we will create one folder inside here with the name components. Okay, components, and I will hit enter, and I will create here a component with the name banner. Okay, banners.jsx. Okay, and I will copy paste this one code because it will be the same. I will paste it here, and I will remove params here. I will say here banner. Cool. Now what I will do right now, I will import this banner here first. Okay, so I will say banner, banner, and I will wrap it. Okay, cool. Now my banner had been imported, and now I can easily start coding here. Cool. Now first of all, what I need, I will, how it will look like. Okay, so we will take an example of any of the streaming website. I will go to the we can take an example of Hotstar. How does it looks like? Let's have an example. Okay, it's loading, and it had been loaded. Okay, we have an images. So this is what, guys, not exactly, but we'll figure it out. This is the page where movies will be shown, so maybe we can show somehow like this. Correct, cool, we will show somehow like this. So what I will do right now, I will open this image in new tab. Cool, image I have got it. No, now here is again one image. Here is text. So let's start coding for this. So what I will do right now, I will copy this one, and I will come basically to my here. Okay, and let's make one div. And now first, we have one background image. Correct, so what I will do right now, I will create one image tab. Okay, So I will use an image tag of whatever is provided by Next.js. Okay, so I will set it src to be like this for now. Okay, and what I will say that I will import this first image, import image from Next.js, and hopefully we will get the image. So currently it's saying that src is not okay. We need properties like width and height. Cool, I will say width to be I can say basically 1000, because this will be the biggest image on the screen. Now next I will say here basically uh, I can say uh, height. Okay, height to be uh, I can say 500. We will, by the way, we will make it dynamic. Okay, it's not what we will make it dynamic kind of. Okay. Okay, currently I'm getting an error that host name is not configured. So what I will do, I will go to the official documentation. Okay, so when you click on the link, you will redirect to the here. So what you will do, copy this. Okay, and come back to the next config.mgs file. Okay, and paste it here. Now next, what you need to do, first of all, remove these line of steps, like 3 lines you can remove from here. Keep only host name. Okay, now what next? Now next, copy this. Like whatever the in error you are getting host name, copy that host name and paste this. Cool, now what next? Just refresh the page and the image will be displayed. We will come back to our banner, and now in every image we need an alt tag also, oh sorry, attribute. So we will say an alt. Now currently you can see we have got this image. Perfect. Now we need that this image to be in a full screen. So currently you can see we are getting some margin. So first of all, let's remove that margin. I will come here and I will say star and margin to be 0, padding to be 0. Okay, and I can say easily, if I refresh it again, so this should remove. Okay, cool, this had been removed. Now what I will do, I will come here and I will basically create one file with the name styles.module.css. Okay, style.module.css. Okay, so we will start styling here. Now next we have got the image displayed in our screen. Now next here I can see that we have two divs. Okay, basically two divs, or I can say one div. Okay, these are the divs. First one div is this, and second div is this, or it can be first div is this and second div is this. Okay, whose width is 100. Cool, now next what we will do, I will come back here and I will come here and I will create one div first of all. Okay, and inside this div we have two divs. Okay, uh, we have two divs. Now inside first div we will make again one div, and here like in second div we will make again two div. Okay, cool, now here in first div what we need, we you can see we had one image. Okay, after that we have some kind of p text. We can take an example. Okay, I will come here and I will say uh, basically here p tag, or I can say first of all img tag. Okay, I will come here and I will say img tag. Let's make it tab and change the url. Okay, let's change the url. So url I can get, go to the Hotstar website and I will do open image in new tab and I will get this image. Cool, I will copy the image URL and I will paste it here. Perfect. Now what next? I don't need its width to be that much, so I will say basically 100 and height to be 70. Okay, or I can say to be 200. Cool, now I can close these images from here and currently you can see I have got this image here. Cool, perfect. Now what I need, you can see again we have one div just below to this, just below to this image. Again we have one div. Okay, div, and inside this div we have some span tag. Okay, so you can take, see here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, we have total 7, and out of those 7, so see we will create first 4 divs. Okay, 4 divs and 3 span tags. So I will create here span. Why is it so, you will come to know, but before that let me create total 7 tags inside this. Okay, so what I will do, I will make these span tag as a circle. Okay, so what currently you can see, this is a fifth season and it had came in 2024. So I will in first I will kept year. Okay, I will kept year 24. Next, I will say basically season 4. Okay, or it is the text is 5. Cool. So I will say fifth season. I will come here and SEA season. Okay, fifth season. Next, I can say 7 languages. Okay, languages is not, but I can kept here like in which language are movies there. Okay, so I can say it as Hindi, because okay, now next I can say here UA slash 13 plus. Okay, I will come here and U slash A and 13 plus 13 plus. Cool. This is what like we have achieved this. Now we have one paragraph tag. Correct. Now I will come here and I will add one paragraph tag. So this will be our p tag, and if I again come back, it is not possible to copy, but I can copy it. I think from here, not. I need to inspect it. Okay, cool. And I can easily get this text by inspecting it. Okay, perfect. I am on the text. Let me select it again. Cool, I'm on the text now, and from here I can easily select this text. Okay, control and control C. I can move back from here, and I can paste this text here. Cool, perfect. Now I have got it the text even. Now next what we have, now if I remove this, so next I have these I think we can take here cast. Okay, so I will come here and maximum to maximum we will have an like 3 cast. Okay, not much more. So again this will be an div. Okay, and again we have a span tag. Okay, uh, cast. Okay, cool. Now I will come here and I will again create here one span tag, or I can say I will copy this logic and I will paste it here. Cool, perfect. I can say format document, and we will take an example like Vijay and span. Now next is Raman and Vansi or Raju. Okay, cool. Now that's all. Now next, what can I say? Between these, I can kept this kind of sign. Okay, like separate kind of separating is done. Okay. Now next, what if I come to my here? So you can see we have got it all the texts. Now next, what can I say here? Basically, we have one button like watch and add. Okay, so we can add it to playlist, or we will not keep to this button right now. In future, if we like we are applying some logics like this, of course we will, but then we will kept it. For now we need one button. Okay, this will be not a button. Okay, first of all this will not be a button, it will be a link tag. Okay, so that will come from Next.js, and we will kept it as a watch now. Okay, and we will say here basically href. Okay, href will be somehow like this. Cool. Now next, what I need, next I had these carousel. Okay, so what I need now, I need this carousel to be here. Okay, we will leave this carousel for now. Okay, we have created a div for this. Okay, this one will be the div which we will apply the carousel part. Okay, so now let's do styling. So this we have got. Okay, so now what I will do, so here basically I can say I had an image. Okay, we will make this image or what I will say, I will make this one div as a position absolute. Okay, we will provide the class here. So I will import first my styles. So I will say import styles from style. Okay, dot style. One sec. Dot style module dot css. Okay, cool. One sec. Dot css. Is it wrong? Expecting to be this okay, it was spelling is wrong from. Perfect. Now next, what I need to provide here class name. Okay, so I will say class name to be banner. Okay, so let's do some styling for these. Okay, so I will say here dot banner, and inside banner we have an image. Let's get this image first. So first what I need, I will say that the width of this image to be 100 vw. Okay, and height to be auto. Perfect. Now you can see we have got this height here. Perfect. Now what I will say basically, I will say what the div is there. Now that div. Okay, I will make its div as position absolute. Okay, position to be absolute. Perfect. Now if I show you, let me refresh it again. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, cool. So can we make this also as position absolute image? Mm, or we can we make it the banner as position absolute or image? Or image we can. Perfect. We can make this image to even position as absolute. Now hopefully we will get the text on this image. Perfect. We are getting the text on the image. Cool. Now what next? We can close this folder. Now next what we need, we want to display these. Okay, so first of all let's go to ChatGPT and first we need to hide these scroll bars. Okay, these scroll bars are not even looking too good. Okay, so I will come here to ChatGPT and I will say hide the scroll bars in website, hide the scroll bars in the website. Okay, so this will help me to hide the scroll bars. Perfect. Now it has provided me the code. Now what I will do, I will copy this one code, line of code, and I will come to my global.css and I will paste it here. And let's remove some comments from here. Okay. Now if I again come back to my browser, one sec. Okay, I come back to my browser and refresh. Okay, can you see we have successfully removed this basically scroll bars. Okay, cool. Now next what we need, we will say that we will do some styling for this. Okay, so what I will say right now, this we have one div. Okay, so I will say div class name to be styles dot bg image, or we can say bg image name. Okay, now I will capture it and I will basically come inside this one div and then I will capture this image first. Okay, this will be our first task. I will capture this and I will first of all say I will give some padding to it, like 20 pixel. Is it enough? Not that much, we need a little bit more, like 2 rem. Is it fine? Perfect. Instead of rem we can say vw, so we can say 2 vw. I think like giving viewport height is fine. Perfect. Now what's next? I will capture this image. Okay, so I will say dot banner name, and inside this banner name we have one div, and inside this div we have one image tag. So I will say this image width to be 200 pixel, height to be auto, and if I come here, our images, like our image width had been increased but not that much as we want. I will make it 400. Perfect. Now quality got lost, so what I will do right now, I will come here and I will say that its quality to be 500. Okay, like width to be 500. Then like now you can see our quality had been even to increased. Perfect. Now next what I need, we need to give some margin top to this image. Cool. So for that what I will do right now, I will come here and I will say here margin top, top okay, margin top to be 10 dvh. Okay, dynamic view height. So perfect. Cool. Now next what I need, we need these text. Okay, whatever there, we need to arrange these text in a perfect order. Cool. Now what next? So if I come here and let's see what is there. So instead of this image we have an this div. Okay, so now what I will do, I will copy this and I will come here and I, instead of image, I will replace it to div. Okay, perfect. Now what I will say, basically I will say make it display as flex. Okay, perfect. Now you can see that we have got these text in a single line. Perfect. Now what I need, now I will paste it again and I will make it div, and inside div again we have one div, and let's do some styling for this. Okay, so I will say font size to be to 40 pixel. Okay, and font weight to be uh, I think bolder. Okay, bolder. And the next if I come, currently you can see that our text had been increased, and if I refresh it right now, so we have got it this. Okay, we have got it this, but the text is too much and color we need to implement. Okay, so we'll say it color to be white. Perfect. Now next we have got this. We can keep some margin, like margin to be 20 pixel from top and from left and right 0. Perfect, it's looking cool even. Now next what I need, I will say basically, do you know that we have used some span tags also, correct? Now let's do some styling for those span tags. I will copy it and I will paste it here, and instead of this I will say span tag. Okay, perfect. Now I will make it as a circle. Okay, so I will say width to be 20 pixel and height to be 20 pixel, and border radius to be 50%, and I will say background color to be white. And perfect. Now I will say margin from top and bottom 0 and left right 10 pixel. Perfect. Let's see an output. It is looking fine, but the thing is that we have got these dots some top, we need some like align to this the same. So for that, what I will do right now, I will say here align item to be center. Okay, cool, perfect. Now the span width is too much, so I will reduce it to the half, and we will increase the margin. Perfect. If I currently, you can see we have got this, and it's looking perfect. But perfect. Okay, cool. Now next, what I need, I can basically increase this padding. Okay, will make it 30, and font size I will make basically 35, little bit less. Okay, perfect. Okay, this is really looking cool now. I can make the dot sizes as 7 pixel instead of 10. Perfect. Now it's even looking better than what we were expecting. Perfect. Now what I will say, I will design this paragraph. Okay. So now I will come back to my banner and I will capture this paragraph tag. Okay. So for that, what I will do, I will basically come here and I will say that I will copy this, not this one. I will copy this one and I will paste it here, and I will remove this, and I will say we had a paragraph tag. Perfect. Now I will change its font size to be 15 pixel and margin to not to be any, one sec, margin to be same, but it should be like 10 pixel, not much more. And if I come, we have got it the text, but 15 pixel is something it's not working. Is it with 15 pixel or something if we increase even though it is same? No. Perfect. We can make its font, I can remove easily the font weight. I will make it back to 20, and I will make its width, okay, max width to be 300 pixel. Okay, perfect. Not 300, it's too much, so I can make change it to 5. Perfect. Now what next I can do, I can easily style these. Okay, so how can I style these? So I will come back here, and I will see, I can, there are two ways. First of all, I can provide here one class name. Okay, or there can be another way that I can basically style this separately and this one separately. Okay, so let's do that separation part itself. I will come here and I will say this to be the first child. Okay, and same for this first child. Okay, cool. Now I can easily copy this and I can paste it here. Now if I come here and if I say inside this one div, first one div and second one div. Perfect. Now I can say this as a last child. Okay, so I will say here as a last child, and I can change this also to the last child. Perfect. Now the thing is we need less font size, so I will make it 25. And if I come back here, so we are not getting what we were expecting. So we have missed something. Is it so? If I come here and if I see inside a dot image, we have div, and inside div we had an image, sorry, div, and inside this we had a div. So I think with this, let's move on. We will use the different classes for this instead of doing somehow like this. I will remove this even too. I will remove it, and next what I will say, let's use this class name itself. I will change it to this, and I will say cast. I will say cast. Okay, cast. Perfect. Now I will come here and I can easily replace it with cast. I will say cast and I will replace this also with cast. Perfect. Now there is some changes we can do. Okay, cool. Perfect. Now what next I can say? I will say this big name, bg image name class to be okay. I can make it id even, by the way. Okay, id will be perfect. Okay, cool. I can make it as a hash and this also hash. Perfect. If I come back, so perfect, cool. Now let's do some styling for this dot dot whatever we have got it here. Okay, we have done, we need don't need this. Okay, so we will remove it. We will remove this even, we will remove this even, and now we will make its font size to be 20 pixel. Okay, next we need its color to be white, and if I come back, so we are still getting this dot dot dot. But exactly we don't need these dots. So how we can remove these dots? I will come here and I will copy the same thing here and I will paste it here. So I will make it about movie, like about movie. Okay, I will copy it and I will come here. I can easily change these names also. I will make it about movie as hash. Okay, and same cheese for span tags. Okay, hash and paste. Okay, cool, perfect. So now see, it's looking even perfect. What we were expecting better than that. Now next we can modify it a little bit, and we can say that let's make its margin little bit less, and we will make some text like I will say basically one div. Okay, I will say div, and I will make here cast and perfect. Now if I come back, and we are getting this output. Perfect. Now next okay, cool. Now we need to style this button even. Okay, so we had this button, so I will come here and I will add one class here. So, okay, so I will say bottom banner. Okay, so see, we will use only one css file, not much more. So we will use everything inside one file only. Okay, so I will say dot and I will make let's style this button. Sorry, a tag. Okay, so we have div, and inside the div we have a tag. Okay, so now I will say here we have a div, and inside this div we have an a tag. Okay, cool, perfect. Now I will say basically here uh, we had given padding here. Okay, so let's do the same for this also. mm, Dot bottom banner, and let's paste it. Now let's look how will it look like. We have not got it anything on button. Is it so? Margin top we have, I think margin top we have got it. Yeah, but padding we didn't receive. Is it because of border? Let's see. This is a class. Okay, mistake we have done, and that mistake is we are the naming convention. Okay, so we will say style dot perfect. Now if I come here, we are getting this. Now I can easily remove the margin top from here because it's not even looking cool. Perfect. Now next what can I say? We will style this. So I will say background color to be white, and we will make it some transparent kind of effect. Okay, so if I come back here, so we have made this, and now next what I need padding to this button. Okay, so I will say padding 10 from top and 20 from left and right. Perfect. And from left and right we can increase a little bit more, so I will make it 30. Now I will make it border radius to be 5 pixel. Okay, cool, perfect. Now it's even looking perfect. So the image we have used image position as a fixed na? So what I will use right now, instead of position absolute na, so I will use it as a fixed, so that we, if we are even scrolling it, we shouldn't scroll. Cool, perfect. Now we have this cast. Okay, and if I inspect it, I think we are getting some margin to this cast. If I come here and let me see here, like what we say, media queries we are not going to use it right now. So Perfect. It has been marked some outer way. Not an issue. Perfect. Now we have created one watch now button, and now let's provide some coloring. Okay, color to be white or white. I think white it's fine. I will say color as white. I will say now next. Let's see text decoration to be none. Text decoration to be none. Next, I will say. I can basically say font size. Okay, I can increase the font size like 30 pixel. I know it's too much. But even looking better. I will say font weight to be bolder. Okay, perfect. Cool. Now it's looking fine. Now next what I need, I will basically need shadows. Okay, if I show you here in Hotstar, there are some shadows even. So currently you can see like we have like here bottom shadow is there, left shadow is there. So how we can do all the elements are like wrapped. So what I will do right now, I will basically say I will go to one website like the name of that website or what can I say basically generate shadow uh, generate generate shadow. Okay, so I will go basically to any of the website. I will come here and any like you can open any of the website and let's see how we can gather this the css sorry shadow. Okay, I will start modifying it. Border radius is nothing I need. Okay, I need this intensity, but the thing is I need a border box shadow to be inner, not this kind of background I will use. I will go to one website. The name of that website I forgot. mm, I think it is on my GitHub. I think I can get it on here. I think I will. That is BSC store. Yes. Go to this website bscstore.versal.app. Come to entertainment, and you can easily get CSS like the this shadow effect from here. Cool. I will inspect it here and let's get this shadow. Wait, I will come here and I can easily get that shadow. This is the okay, I have got it the shadow. I will copy disclaimer. Okay, perfect. Now where I need actually this shadow, so I need this shadow to be on this image. Okay, let's see if it works on image or not. I will paste it and let's see. Is it working? No, this is not working, so we will implement it on div. Okay, see we are using an hit and try. Our bad. Okay, cool. Now if I okay, we have got it this shadow. Okay, we have got it this shadow, but the shadow is not exactly what we were thinking. So for now what I will do, I will say I will make its width to be 100 vw. Okay, width to be 100 vw, and now you can see we have our shadow is perfectly working. I will make its height to be height to be 100 dvh. Okay, dynamic view height. If I come here right now, now you can see that our the thing is looking perfect and fine even. Okay, now next is we need some bottom shadow also. Like if I show you, so it's completely blackish and it's looking cool even. So we need some bottom shadow even. Okay, so for now we are leaving that bottom shadow. Okay, but I need, okay, I can easily achieve that, but how? I can paste that as a bottom shadow, but we will you can figure it out like this is the angle na? You need to change these angles. How we can change these angles? Okay, 20% and 25%, on which angle you need you can define here, and according to that you can get. Cool. Now this is what home page we have designed. In next video I will little bit modify it little bit, and after that we will start making a movies section. Okay, like here we will get movies and some carousel kind of effect, more attractive. Okay, cool, perfect. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. The video was long and we are creating a full stack application, so for beginner friendly it's really cool, and the video will like this project will be on a real or real application. Okay, anyone can come here and can watch movies. We will host the movies on different servers and store that names in our db. Cool, perfect. So that's all guys in this video. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.